Hi, this is Karen with WTI. It's so hard for me to find earrings that I'm happy with, especially because I have really sensitive ears that can react to anything that I put on them. But the moment that I put on those Mexi Huggie earrings, I just fell in love with them. I love the design. I love the way it feels. They're super light. I feel like I can rock any outfit wearing these earrings. They're super simple, but they're really elegant. And I can be really casual with them, or I can have more of a dressy look, and they will just be perfect. And the color is a gold that is not super shiny, it's not too jello. I love that it's very discreet gold. And it has this little, almost looking like pearls. That makes it very unique design. And I love that. I love to wear really unique designs. And that's my point of view.